What's going on, y'all? We are at Niagara Falls. We're gonna go check this place out. We hear things. We've heard things about this place. Finishing up some sandwiches before we go. We're planning on riding the boat, hopefully, Maid of the Mist, and just seeing what we can see while we're here.
Is it made of mist?
Is it made of mist? We're gonna find out.
It's made of boat.
All right, let's go walk around. There's a Hard Rock Cafe right here, right across the street from the state park. And over there, that greenish building, that's customs to drive over to Canada. Well, this is the way to Maid of the Mist. Yeah, that's cool.
The rain here tastes disgusting.
I think it actually is raining. Can you see the edge of the waterfall right there? Can you see the edge of the waterfall?
Yeah.
There's like a big log out there sticking up.
Like,
Right at the edge. There's some light sprinkling in the area, so we stopped by this tree right here for a little break from the raindrop. Yeah, this is the American Falls. As opposed to the Niagara Falls, this is the American Falls. I guess because it's 100% in America, and Niagara Falls is shared between the two countries. That's the observation tower up there. That's got the elevators inside of it that take you down to the Maid of the Mist. Yeah, we're gonna go up there. We gotta buy a tickets probably back there somewhere.
Lemony Christmas.
What's that?
Lemony Christmas. Here, say goodbye, suckers.
What are you doing? Down there, everybody in the red ponchos, they are launching from the Canadian side. They'll take that boat over into the waterfall area. Look at the mist. Look at that mist. Why are you nervous? High, what's high?
Look at the ground.
Oh, we're high? Yeah, we're pretty high up here. There's the Rainbow Bridge over there. That's the bridge between United States and Canada. And the falls are over this way. So we're up on the big tower with the observation deck. Elevators are inside there to go down to the boat. Just want to walk over here to the observation deck. I think it's $1.25, I think is what it said, to be able to go there. Parking is $10 on a weekday, $15 on a weekend. The boat ride is $28.25 per adult for the Maid of the Mist boat ride. And it was it $16, I think, for the kids? That's kids goes up to 12-year-olds. So once they're 13, they're adults at Niagara Falls. You're an adult at Niagara Falls in just a few months.
Oh no.
Just a few months.
What?
Well, they said when she's 13, she's an adult.
The Maid of the Mist boat tour entrance is located.
You want to take the ramp, Tanya? Thankfully, they got these wheelchair ramps. It makes it easier, especially since Tanya didn't like the stairs going down Watkins Glen. This definitely helped a lot. So you get your blue poncho down here in the tent. So everybody can be nice and uniform in blue, I guess. Red for the Canadians and blue for the Americans.
Make sure
They're all one size?
Yep, one size fits all.
Thank you.
I can get this thing open. I need help. It's
You
closed.
guys don't need to put these on just yet. You can wait till you're all the way down on the vessel. Save you guys a whole bunch of time too.
Everybody's kind of panicking about getting him on. The gentleman's trying to get us to keep going. He said you got plenty of time once you get on the boat to put on your poncho before you get into an area where you need it. The boat is named Nikola Tesla.
This thing is warm and too warm and I feel sweaty.
Yeah, I'm sure.
You'll be able to walk up there.
Yeah, I think we would.
Y'all just go to the top or just find seats down
Here, come here. We'll start here and then see about moving up. We went ahead and found a few seats down here on the bottom. It's like 5 seats. After the boat gets underway, we'll figure out where we really want to stand. I will not keep this camera on. I brought the GoPro along, so when we get more into the mist, the good camera is going away and the GoPro will come out. So I would say the ponchos are free, but ultimately at $28 per ticket, I think we paid for the poncho. I think it's included in your ticket price. That's cool, how they're coming down the hill. It's like an incline train / elevator. Oh, there's one coming up too. You can see it through the trees. That's on the Canadian side. Another Maid of the Mist boat. I want to see what its name is on the back. Oh, it's there. James Glenn. American Falls. Face is soaking wet. Part of my shorts is soaking wet. This is totally an amazing experience. Everyone should experience. We are getting ready to come back into port so we can get off the boat and then figure out what we're gonna do next. What's up?
I need a new bandage.
Oh, because it got so wet? What'd y'all think? I know Kira's not real fond of boats.
I thought it was wonderful. I would have stood up, but I sat down because Kira wanted me to.
Yeah. I know Kira's not a fan of rocking boats.
She said Titanic scared her.
Huh?
For life.
Titanic? But you've never seen Titanic.
I heard the story about it.
Oh, okay.
Nobody survived on the boat.
Oh, no, people survived.
Yeah, they were survivors.
Sun is lined up just right to pass behind the observation deck. Recycling area for the blue ponchos. That's the crow's nest right there. You can go up and get some cool photo ops right in front of the American Falls. I think we'll avoid the steps and just stop here. elevators coming down and then 4 elevators going up. But I didn't see if there was doors on either side, so I don't know if it's like same elevators. We're about to find out when the door opens. I'm gonna go straight. Amazing?
Yes. Look at this.
So right now the time is a little later. We got 3:22. There's hardly any line to get in.
Mom, look.
So they're building some cool new buildings over here that we're gonna miss out on. And I was just saying, it looks like they're building like some kind of terrace, like man-made waterfalls. What would the irony be of coming to some place like Niagara Falls just to see some man-made waterfalls? Like your bear?
His name is Buddy.
Buddy?
Yes.
Buddy the bear?
Yes.
So I thought the trolley was free, but it looks like it's $3. So we're probably gonna call it quits. I don't think we're gonna go over and do Cave of the Winds. I don't know that I was ready to do Cave of the Winds today, but the deck that is over just above Niagara Falls itself, I kind of wanted to check that out, but everybody's real hungry, and I've got that fear of driving 100 miles back. It's not really a fear, it's an anxiety. I'm talking about the anxiety of having to drive 100 miles back home. We want to go seek out some buffalo wings in Buffalo, New York, and then we'll start our trek home.
It smells out here.
There's all kinds of different smells here. This is a melting pot of smells.
I smell smoke.
Seagulls, stop it now. One last point to point out about where we're walking around. This is the oldest state park in America. We did it. We made it to the oldest state park in America. We are at the Anchor Bar. This is the home of the original Buffalo chicken wings. And we are pretty much right in downtown Buffalo, New York. We've gone to the source of where it all started. Let's go see what it's all about. Those buffaloes have wings in the paintings.
Buffalo wings.
Yep. You see a Texas?
No, I don't see one.
I see another. I see a Cuba.
I think what Seth said, like what it was, how it sounds.
Egg rolls made with pizza stuffing. It's got mozzarella and pepperoni in it. You got, what was it called? Buffalo's favorite?
Buffalo and wet.
So it's a roast beef sandwich, which they said is Buffalo's favorite sandwich.
It's called a wet. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
Here.
And then 5 wings.
Have that.
Kira got a cheese pizza. Kaylin got extreme heat. And that's a 10-piece wings, but since some of them are kind of small, they throw in a few extra pieces.
So I guess nobody
Okay. And then I got a 20-piece with hotter and spicy barbecue, along with ranch instead of blue cheese. That roast beef sandwich is really good. The seasoning that they put on it is like something magical and different. I took one bite and I'm like, wait, what was that? It is so good. I did not expect that. Kaylin is almost done with her extreme heat boneless wings, and you like them? She was definitely tearing up. Kira, how was your pizza?
I got a pickle. I got a pickle. Hey, 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 hey. How was your pizza? Yummy.
I thought it was pretty good. I liked it. It's a huge camera.
Buffalo was made out of metal.
Well, we started this day going to Niagara Falls, and we finished the day at the home of the Buffalo Wing, the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York. We're just right close to downtown Buffalo, New York. And now it's time to make our 100-mile trek back to Rochester. We had a good day? We have a good day?
Had a good day.
Good day. Remember, life happens.
Don't let it stop you.
Stay fresh, cheese bags.